So hey guys, welcome back. This is Saman Gupta. Welcome to Traders Traders. So this is the daily analysis session of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and crude oil. So what's current in the markets running now? So first we will start with our favorite Bank Nifty and Nifty, and then we will move towards our crude oil and then commodities section. But starting in the commodities section, you can see guys, what was the trade it was given at 55.80 and what is the current price running at now. You can just see the 55.83 was the buying level, and you can see almost more than 100 points plus profit is running in this what crude oil. Just watch it. Now we will let's talk about it, but before that you have to just see the Nifty trade. So in the Nifty starting trade, you can see guys, the daily candle of last Fridays was very bearish, but what happened today, why it has not fallen? Ah, so this is basically a pause candle, and the pause or sideways inside candle. This is always happening just to make you guys to feel irritated or just remove your shorts position, because people were heavily shorted on this, and then the news of the rate cuts and the markets, and also here it is possible जब rate cuts के markets में rate and then everyone thought that market will be gapping up too much or due to after seeing the US markets, but यहाँ पे आपको कोई fall ज़्यादा price नहीं देखने को मिला, and you can see this is inside a sideways range and we can't do anything in this sideways, so always try to ignore this kind of markets. And यहाँ पे जो हमारा selling area था, and then selling area, this was the selling area, and after that we have not touched our SL also and no target also. So same view will be happening really tomorrow. Just wait for the market to break the low, and you will be seeing that we are going to hit these targets tomorrow if we are breaking this low. Otherwise, if this SL is hitting, then it will be possible to markets that it can go more higher in the upside. And just यहाँ पे ये इस हाई को ब्रेक करके you upside की liquidity लेगा. Okay. So this is the for the SL hunting for the downside sellers, and this is the view. So tomorrow, just let's see what's going in the bank breakout or breakdown. So another now index, that is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty abhi bhi weak, and you can see this level is very important tomorrow. Make or break zone will be there for the Bank Nifty. And remember, if any bearish candle closes below this candle low at 1 hour, you will be getting more fall to 54,555 levels. That can be possible in the downside. Okay, 54,555. If it sustains Bank Nifty below 55,000, 55,000 is the major area. If below this tanks, so more 500 falls, 500 points fall will be happening in the Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the view for the Bank Nifty. And now we will move towards our next, that is crude oil. So crude oil में आज मॉर्निंग में हमने जो ट्रेड दे रखा था, you can see how well the crude oil is going on, and you can't go for any shorting area and this. And now the next target 5 can be 57.40 can be possible. And I have already said here कि 25th August को, yes, $65 in the US oil you will be seeing. And you can see the US oil was, when I have told, so it was on 63. Okay, now what is the current value? Just see, यहाँ पे देखो $64, $64 it's now $64.902. Just wait and watch for the 2 hours more. $65 आपका hit हो जाएगा. Means we are $2 subside from the our levels. Now we will be seeing here, and if crude oil is same bullishness only, it will be continuing. And the same views, buy under dip. If you are getting any dip, so just buy it. In the morning हमें dip मिला, and then it is have been upside, and again you can be targeting for the 5740 levels for the crude oil. Okay, so this is the view for the crude oil. We have to go for the buy and dip only. And where is in the copper also, हमने copper में एक tweet पे डाला था. Okay, that पॉसिबल है कि कॉपर में आपको ये लेवल के नीचे क्लोजिंग नहीं मिलेगी, एंड वी हैव नॉट गॉट एनी क्लोजिंग सिंगल, एंड वी हैव गॉट टुडे एट 891 levels. एंड पॉसिबल है कि ये 902 के लेवल्स को ब्रीच करेगा एंड 902 विल बी द टारगेट पॉसिबल इन द कमिंग डेज. ओके. Now next is the silver. So we will be going with the silver charts. Okay. Silver currently same view. Okay. Upside bullish only. And you can be seeing here possible कि गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर में जो हमारे टारगेट्स थे ऑलरेडी आ गए थे. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज सिल्वर. इट विल बी द टारगेट वन दैट इज 1,16,000 17,700. एंड ये जो एरिया है इस सिल्वर का, सी दिस इज द मेन साइडवेज एरिया. एंड ये जैसे ही ब्रेकआउट यहाँ पे आपका दिया तो दिस वाज द बॉटम एंड वी हैव कैप्चर्ड है. जैसे ही बॉटम का ब्रेकआउट देगा हमें ये टारगेट्स वन एंड टारगेट्स टू विद इन 2 to 3 days हमें ये मिल जाएंगे. ओके. सो जस्ट इन सिल्वर यू हैव लॉन्ग, सो जस्ट कीप होल्डिंग. सिल्वर इज गोइंग टू ब्लास्ट इन दी tomorrow by this week. Okay. So this is the current analysis of the silver and everything commodity else. So hopefully guys you have learned something from this chart and what to do. That Wednesday will be a holiday. So I am planning to take a important session will be on Wednesday. That will be a live session and you can be joining here. And on Wednesday, Ganesh Chaturthi. So it will be a holiday, so you can utilize that on Ganesh Chaturthi special session. Okay. So that's all, guys. Have a nice and good night, guys. I will be sharing the details about the session. So hopefully it will be very helpful for you all. So bye bye, guys. Take care and good night, guys.